and there it is. It lets me write in. Granted, I have the correct password, so it is going to let me in. And I have access to the device. So by verifying here that I have some matches on that access list and it is filtering out traffic from any IP address other than the 192.168.2.12 or 3, I would call that somewhat secure. There are many other methods that you can use to filter traffic. Like I said earlier, you can use an external radius server, and then you could have a backup authentication method going to the local database. But you always do want to have some sort of backup in case, say, that radius server or TACAC server is down and someone has to get in to do some changes. You should always have a backup. So in this video we covered Telnet and its vulnerabilities, showing in packet analyzer that any packet sent via Telnet is unencrypted in clear text. We showed how to set up AAA for basic authentication using the AAA new model command, and setting up authentication methods for initial login and getting into enable mode. We created a user account in the local database, set the privilege level to 15 and specify the password, and set up the service password encryption so that all clear text passwords stored in the configuration were encrypted. Next, we went over the basic SSH setup using version 2, created crypto keys, set the IP domain which is required to create the crypto keys, specified the timeout and authentication retries, and applied the transport input method of SSH on the teletype line, the Telnet line. Finally, we discussed and set up ACL filtering for the Telnet line by using an extended named access list to only allow a certain number of addresses in. If you have any questions or have video requests, you can always send me an email at bowlermj@yahoo.com. I hope you will join me for my future labs, and I look forward to seeing you. Thanks.